Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. Today we are going to discuss some questions on a foreign currency conversion. Let's start the problem. Pass the journal entries in the books of Nashik based on AS11. AS11 means what? Based on account foreign currency conversion. Because foreign currency conversion comes under the accounting standard 11. So pass the journal entries in the books of Nashik based on the foreign currency conversion. Then what is the question? A machine was imported on 20th January 2013 from Jackie Chan of China of US dollar 2 lakh. Means machinery. N of Nashik purchase a machinery from Jackie Chan of China. When purchase a machinery? 20th January 2013 for rupees 2 lakh. Okay, the payment for the same was made as follows. और उन लोगों ने पेमेंट कब किया है? Payment was made as follows. US dollar 1,50,000 on 27 Feb 2013 means $1,50,000 का पेमेंट 27 Feb को किया है. Remaining payment means remaining dollar payment of $50,000 made on 15th March 2013. The exchange rate for the $1 was as follows. Means on 20th January 2013, the exchange rate was 47 rupees. Then on 27 Feb 2013, when we are made a payment, that time rate was 46.50 means rate decreases at the time of purchase. At the time of purchase, rate was 47. At the time of payment, rate was 46.50 means rate decreases. Okay, rate decreases for 0.50. 0.50 से rate क्या हुआ है? Decrease हुआ है. In purchase, rate decreases. It means our profit. Profit means FVF. FVF account comes a credit balance. Why? Because जो भी हम लोगों को profit और loss होता है, it comes under the FVF account. And FVF account is a nominal account. And what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses as losses and credit all incomes and gain. So in this on 27th Feb, we make a profit. हम लोगों को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. हाउ मच द प्रॉफिट? 0.50. सो प्रॉफिट कम्स अंडर द एफईएफ अकाउंट. Next, when we are making a payment of $50,000, that time on 15th March 2013, rate was 48. At a time of purchase, rate was 47. At a time of payment, rate was 48. Means rate increases of rupees 1. 1 rupee से rate increase हुआ है. It means our loss. In purchase, when rate increases, it is our loss. So let's start the solution. Give the heading. Past journal entries in the books of. Start the solution. Solution. Journal entries in the books of Nashik. Okay, so draw the columns. Debt, particular amount, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay, now debt. What is the first transaction? Machinery purchase. Imported means what? Imported means purchase. When imported? 20th January. So give the date. 20th January 2013. Purchase किया है. Purchase always having a debit balance. So purchase account debit. So purchase account debit. From whom? किसके पास से purchase किया है? Purchase from Jackie Chan. Means Jackie Chan is a giver. Jackie Chan is a giver. Jackie Chan is a personal account. And what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Jackie Chan is a giver. So Jackie Chan comes a credit balance. Okay. कितने रुपीस की मशीनरी परचेज की थी? 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh into see What is the rate on a 20th January 2013? On 20th January 2013, rate was 47 rupees. So 2 lakh into 47. So 2 lakh into 47. Calculate the amount. How much the amount? 94 lakh. 94 lakh. Same as the amount for the Jackie Chan. 94 lakh. 94 lakh. And what will be the being? Being is being machinery imported. Being machinery, machine imported from Jackie Chan. From Jackie Chan. Clear? This is the first transaction. Okay. We purchase a machinery. So purchase always having a debit balance. So purchase account debit to Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan is a giver and Jackie Chan is a personal account. So what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Jackie Chan comes a credit balance. Okay. And the price of machinery was 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh into 47 because 20th January ko rate kitna tha? 47 rupees. So 2 lakh into 47, then you will get a amount of 94 lakh. Clear? When you are making a payment, when you are giving a payment, when you are made a payment made on 27th February. So 27th Feb 2013. 27th Feb 2013. Payment made. पेमेंट हम लोग किसको दे रहे हैं? जैकी चैन को, क्योंकि जैकी चैन के पास से हम लोगों ने परचेस किया था. सो जैकी चैन को हम लोग अभी पेमेंट करेंगे. जैकी चैन इज अ रिसीवर. सो गिव पास द एंट्री जैकी चैन अकाउंट डेबिट. जैकी चैन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश ऑब्लिक बैंक अकाउंट. बिकॉज हम लोग पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, कैश गोज आउट. सो कैश इज अ रियल अकाउंट. सो व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ रियल अकाउंट? क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सो कैश कम्स अ क्रेडिट बैलेंस. 2 इधर हम लोगों को प्रॉफिट हुआ है. हाउ इट इज प्रॉफिट? We purchase machinery at rupees 47 and at the time of payment rate was 46.50, means rate decreases. In purchase, suppose rate decreases, then this is our profit. So जो भी हम लोगों को प्रॉफिट और लॉस होता है, इट्स ट्रांसफर टू द एफईएफ अकाउंट. सो प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू द एफईएफ अकाउंट. इन ब्रैकेट राइट डाउन प्रॉफिट. इन ब्रैकेट राइट डाउन प्रॉफिट. ओके. तो हम लोगों ने कितने डॉलर्स का पेमेंट किया है नाउ? 1,50,000. सो 1,50,000 इनटू व्हाट इज द रेट? रेट कितना था 27th Feb को? On 27th Feb, rate was 46.50. So 46.50. Okay. 1,40,000 ऑलवेज बैंक को कौन सा रेट आएगा? उस डेट को जो रेट है वो बैंक को आएगा. सो 1,50,000 इंटू 46.50. बैंक को हमेशा कौन सा रेट आता है? उस डेट को जो रेट है वो बैंक को आएगा. हाउ मच द प्रॉफिट? प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ है हम लोगों को? 1,50,000 इंटू डिफरेंस 47 माइनस 46.50. Then how much the profit? 0.50. This is our profit. Okay. And जैकी चैन को कितनी अमाउंट आएगी फिर? 1,50,000 इंटू 47. क्लियर? समझे रेट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? बैंक को हमेशा कौन सा रेट आता है? उस डेट को जो रेट है. मीन्स on 27th Feb 2013, that time rate was 46.50. So banks always come rate of that date. उस डेट को जो रेट है वो बैंक को आता है. Difference always transfer to the FEF account. So difference, how much the difference rate? 0.50. So FEF comes 0.50 and Jackie Chan को कितना पैसा मिलेगा? 47. So calculate the amount. How much the amount? 70,50,000. Next is cash. Cash account को कितनी अमाउंट रहेगी? 69,47,000 and into FEF. FEF को कितनी अमाउंट आएगी? 75,000. And what will the being payment made, being payment made. Clear? Now next entry on 15th March. On 15th March 2013, on 15 March 2013 को हम लोगों ने पेमेंट किया है, पेमेंट मेड ऑफ $50,000 का पेमेंट किया है, एंड रेट वाज 48 रुपीज. एट द टाइम ऑफ परचेस रेट वाज 47, एट द टाइम ऑफ पेमेंट रेट वाज 48. मींस रेट इंक्रीजेस फॉर ₹1 रुपीज से रेट इंक्रीज हुआ है. So this is our loss at a time of purchase. When rate increases, this is a loss. So what will the entry? Jackie Chan is always receiver. So Jackie Chan account debit. Jackie Chan account debit. 2 loss हुआ है. So FEF account debit. FEF account in bracket write down loss. FEF account debit, and cash goes out. So to cash oblique bank account, to cash oblique bank account. So cash oblique bank account. Clear? How to calculate the amount? कितने डॉलर्स का पेमेंट किया है? $50,000 का पेमेंट किया है. into first write down, always write down first रेट ऑफ बैंक. बैंक को कौन सा रेट आता है? उस डेट को जो रेट है, रेट ऑफ दैट डेट. मींस 15th मार्च को रेट कितना है? 48. सो बैंक कम्स अ रेट ऑफ 48. देन एफईएफ को कौन सा रेट आता है? 50,000 into 1 डिफरेंस. 50,000 into 1 डिफरेंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रेट टू द जैकी चैन. जैकी चैन के पास से हम लोग ने कितने रुपीज से रिसीव किया था? 47. तो जैकी चैन कम रुपीज इज 47 रुपीज आएंगे. सो कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट नाउ. 23,50,000. नेक्स्ट इज 50,000 and cash oblique bank 24 lakh. And write down the being is being payment made. Being payment made. Clear? This is our problem. Okay, I hope all of you will understood this solution. Okay, thank you.